Hello everybody, and in this video we will learn how to calculate running totals in Excel. Let's understand this example. See, we have these dates over here and here are the amounts mentioned for these respective dates. Now we want to have a running total. Now a running total would mean that for the 16th of August the total would be of this cell only, but for 17th the total would be of these two cells, and for 18th the total would be for these three cells, and so on and so forth. Now how do we do that? Now for this we need to understand the concept of ranges, like we saw in our first introductory video, like what is a range. Now a range is a collection of cells, all right. So over here we will use the sum formula, all right, and we will select this cell, and to depict a range we will go ahead and enter the semicolon sign and choose this cell again, the same cell. So for it now, the range is this cell to this cell, all right? And this number, the first number, which is cell C6, we will go ahead, select it like this with our mouse and press F4 once. It will put a dollar sign in front of the column and in front of the row number. C stands for the column and 6 stands for the row, all right? So we are pressing, this enters a dollar sign, which means now this has become the fixed value, a fixed reference. And now what I need to do is I just need to drag this. When I drag over here, if I press F2, now it is calculating the sum from C6 till C7. Over here, it is calculating the sum from C6 to C8, because when we copied the formula, it copied the references. However, since the reference for cell C6 was fixed using those dollar symbols, but the second reference was not, hence the second reference gets extended. The C6 becomes a C7, over here it becomes C8, but this one is fixed. So you are able to get a running total very easily. This is the easiest way to do running totals in Excel. See you in the next video.